What if a step in your workflow could think, decide, and act on its own? In this guide, we'll drop an AI agent right into a FlowMattic workflow, give it a brain, a memory, and real tools, then pass its answer down the chain. Here's our use case. Support requests arrive through a webhook. Some need a quick answer, some need a task created for the team. Instead of hard-coding every rule, the agent reads each request, picks the right tool, and responds, all in one step. Let's build it. Start a new workflow with a webhooks trigger. It captures the incoming request as our input. Now add an action step. Search for AI agents and choose AI Agent by FlowMattic. The Execute Agent step lands on the canvas, and look closely. It's not a normal node. It has 3 connection points: chat model, memory, and tools. Now the brain. Click Chat Model, pick your AI provider connect, and choose a model. We'll use GPT-4.1 Mini. Next, memory. This is what makes it an agent. It remembers the conversation across runs, so follow-up requests keep their context. And now the fun part. Tools. Click the plus under Tools and attach real actions, an MCP Client tool, and a Monday.com tool that can create items. The agent decides on its own which tool a request needs. You never write an if statement. Open the step to configure it. First, the system prompt. This defines the agent's behavior and personality. Then the user input. Map the webhook message straight in with a dynamic tag. Pick an output format too. Plain text or JSON mode if the next steps need structured data. One more step to go. The agent's answer shouldn't stop here, so connect another action after it. We'll use webhook outgoing and map the agent's response with a dynamic tag. Whatever the agent says flows right into the next step. You could just as easily send it to Slack, email, or a table, any of the connected apps. Time to test. A request comes in, watch the run. The trigger fires, the agent thinks, calls the Monday tool, creates the task, and hands its summary to the outgoing webhook. One workflow, 0 hard-coded rules, and it gets smarter with every tool you attach. A trigger, an agent with a brain, memory, and tools, and any action to carry its answer forward. That's AI agents in FlowMattic. Build yours today.